The Loomis tax bill is being promoted as enabling minors to avoid the scourge of double taxation. I think that is a misleading term. There are places where people are taxed twice on the same income, but this is not what's happening. This is a fallacious use of this term. What is happening is it's taxed at two different times. Here's how that goes down. Currently, the law on mining of coins, as it is written, is that you're taxed when you receive the coin, and you're then taxed later when you dispose of the coin. But what's happening is you're only taxed on the net gain or loss since you received it. So that's not double taxing the same dollar. But also, I want to point out to people that a lot of people have wanted this, and I support the bill to tax all the income when sold as ordinary income. I support that. The problem people have suffered is they're having to pay tax on coins that they've never sold. They haven't made any income, so they're actually having to liquidate coins just to pay tax. I feel that pain. But you may not really want the solution. The solution is, well, we'll just tax it all upon receipt, not as capital gains, but you tax it as ordinary income. Now let's tease this out a little bit. I'm going to show you why this solution is actually going to cost you a lot more. So let's take an example. You receive mined coins worth $10,000. And then at a later date, let's say more than a year later, you sell them for $30,000. Okay, so you have a $20,000 gain. Under the current plan, you're taxed on the $10,000 when you receive it. That would be, at a 24% rate, would be $2,400. Then later, when you sell it, you've experienced a $20,000 gain, and you're taxed at 15% on that, be $3,000, for a total amount of taxes paid at both times together of $5,400. But the Loomis bill proposes to eliminate this insanity and only tax you when you sell it. But you'll be taxed at ordinary tax rates, not capital gains rates. So now, when you sell it for $30,000, say at a 24% tax bracket, you're going to be paying $7,200, or roughly 50% more. So what do you think? Do you really want this bill? First of all, it is a misrepresentation to call this double taxation. There are two tax events, but the same dollars are not being taxed. I think people should really think long and hard if they want to push the Senate to pass this change. I don't think it's a good use of your money.